Hey guys, it's James. I am here with Kara Beckmann from Beckmann House, and we are going to talk about how to save some money on your next flip. Kara, this is looking great. I love the floors, but I do have one question. I know I'm not the operator, but usually in Seattle we install our hardwoods and then we do our carpet at the very end after we're all kind of done. So how come we put the carpet in now?
Well, if you remember, when we bought the house, they just installed this carpet.
That's right.
So let's say where we can, we'll keep this carpet in the secondary bedrooms and just do the new hardwood in our primary.
Yeah, and that's a great lesson for any flipper, right? Don't throw away stuff that's good. Because this is like, what, $25 a yard carpet? And that is so important. Save on what you can. And not only that, it gets me so excited when I'm like saving money on each thing, because every little line item goes right into your bottom line.
Exactly, yeah. And everything adds up.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot pot.